Everyone wants to win, but here's the truth nobody admits. The people who win the most are the ones who failed the most. Think about it. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter. Elon Musk nearly went bankrupt before Tesla took off. Failure wasn't their end. It was their teacher. And resilience was their weapon. Here's the problem. We grow up being told that failure is shameful. Schools punish it. Jobs avoid it. Society tells you to hide it. But failure isn't the opposite of success. It's the training ground for it. Every stumble, every rejection, every no you've ever gotten, it wasn't a stop sign. It was a lesson. The people who succeed aren't the ones who avoid failure. They're the ones who collect it, study it, and grow from it. But let's be honest. Resilience doesn't feel heroic in the moment. It feels humiliating. It feels like pouring your heart into something and watching it collapse. It feels like rejection emails stacking up. It feels like standing on shaky legs asking yourself, do I even belong here? And yet, those exact moments are where resilience is built. Resilience is ugly. Resilience is messy. Resilience is what turns failure into fuel. Here's the part most people miss. Resilience isn't just about chasing huge dreams like building a business or becoming an athlete. It's about everyday life too. It's when you get laid off but still show up for that next interview. It's when you're drowning in bills but keep pushing to create a better life for your family. It's when you're exhausted, burned out, ready to quit, yet something inside you whispers, not yet. That's resilience. And it's in those small, unseen moments that future victories are born. So how do you actually become that resilient? Step 1. Reframe failure. Instead of asking, why me? Ask, what is this trying to teach me? The lesson is the reward for surviving the loss. Step 2. Build your bounce. Resilience is a muscle. The quicker you rise after setbacks, the stronger you get. At first, you'll stay down for weeks. Later, it's days. Eventually, it's minutes. Step 3. Kill perfection. Perfection says, if I fail once, I'm done. Resilience says, I'll fail 100 times if that's what it takes to win once. This is where self-improvement comes alive, because resilience isn't just about doing, it's about becoming. Every time you stand up after being knocked down, you cast a vote for a new identity. I am someone who can take a hit. I am someone who learns from my mistakes. I am someone failure cannot break. And when that identity locks in, you stop fearing failure because you know it's not blocking you, it's building you. Week 1. You fail. It stings. Week 2. You fail again, but this time you recover faster. Month 3. Failure doesn't crush you anymore. It trains you. Month 6. You realize you're stronger, sharper, more focused. 1 year later, you look back and see every failure wasn't wasted. It was a stepping stone to the win. So here's my challenge for you. Think about your last failure. Don't run from it. Don't bury it. Write down the one lesson it taught you. Then share it in the comments. Because when you put it out there, you take away its power. And when you act on it, you turn failure into fuel. Resilience isn't built in comfort. It's built in rejection, setbacks, and chaos. And if you're resilient enough, failure doesn't stop you. Failure teaches you how to win.